Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. Located in a privileged natural environment near beaches and coves, we find this authentic island-style property. Lush gardens surround the main building, beautiful plants and flowers, typical of the area, paint the outdoor spaces with colour and good taste. The tradition is not only seen in the structure of the house, the distribution has also been maintained. It's the original of this classic property and has kept the social and family soul that clearly dominates the building. Natural materials have been maintained: stone mirrors, walls, local handcrafted ceramic tiles, high wood beamed ceilings, stunning spaces illuminated by light and sun entering through the huge windows and doors with natural views of the village. If you enjoy nature and hassle-free living, but don't want to stop enjoying the amenities you're used to, this property is completely right for you. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.